Starting a food business from home can feel like a big step, but it does not have to be complicated. Many people are turning small food machines into real income by working from their own kitchens or small workspaces. With the right machine, simple ingredients can become products that customers are happy to pay for. In this video, you will see practical food-making machines that help everyday people create popular items, sell locally, and grow at their own pace. Sometimes one smart machine is all it takes to get started. Number 1. Coffee roaster. This is a great machine for starting a small food business from home. It lets you turn raw green coffee beans into fresh roasted coffee with rich aroma and flavor. These machines heat and rotate the beans evenly so each batch comes out consistent. For home businesses, a small to mid-size roaster that handles a few kilos per batch works well. These usually cost around $800 to $3,000, depending on size and features. Coffee is a product people buy again and again, which makes this business very profitable over time. Once customers like your roast, they often stay loyal. You can sell online at local markets or to small cafes. The key to success is learning how different beans roast, but once you master it, this machine can turn a daily habit into a steady income. Number 2. Edible ink printer. This allows you to print photos, logos, or designs directly onto cakes, cookies, and cupcakes. It works like a regular printer, but uses food-safe edible ink and frosting sheets. This machine is perfect for people who want to sell custom desserts for birthdays, events, and businesses. Entry-level printers usually cost between $300 and $700, while ink and sheets are extra. The reason this machine is so profitable is customization. Customers are willing to pay more for personalized food. One printed image can turn a simple cake into a premium product. It works best on flat surfaces like cookies and sheet cakes. If you enjoy creative work and want higher value orders, this machine gives you a strong advantage in the home food market. Number 3. Mini donut maker. This is built for speed, consistency, and attention-grabbing food. Unlike small home gadgets, these machines automatically pour batter, cook, and release donuts in steady batches. Many models can produce dozens of mini donuts every few minutes. Prices usually range from $1,000 to $3,500, depending on output and automation. This machine is highly profitable because mini donuts sell fast, cost little to make, and attract customers with smell and motion. People love watching fresh donuts being made. They are perfect for local markets, school events, and small catering jobs. You can easily change flavors, toppings, or sauces to keep customers coming back. With the right setup, this machine can pay for itself quickly during busy selling days. So far, you have seen machines that turn simple ideas into fast-selling food, and the next ones might surprise you even more. Number 4. Dumpling maker. This helps you produce neat, sealed dumplings quickly without spending hours folding by hand. It can also be used for empanadas and similar filled foods. Simple manual models cost under $50, while semi-automatic machines usually range from $200 to $700. Small fully automatic units start around $1,000. This machine becomes profitable by saving time and increasing output. Dumplings freeze well, store easily, and sell across many cultures. You can sell fresh or frozen dumplings to neighbors, local shops, or at markets. With faster production and consistent shapes, customers see your food as more professional. One machine can turn a slow process into a steady workflow that supports regular sales. If this video is giving you ideas, tap the like button. It really helps this content reach more people who want to start small and grow smart. Number 5. Chocolate tempering machine. This machine removes the guesswork from working with chocolate. It heats and cools chocolate automatically, so it comes out shiny, smooth, and crisp. Entry-level tabletop models with small capacity usually cost around $1,000, while larger professional units can go up to $8,000 or more. For home businesses, the smaller models are more than enough. This machine is profitable because properly tempered chocolate looks premium and sells at higher prices. You can make truffles, chocolate bars, dipped fruits, or molded candies. Customers expect quality chocolate, and this machine helps you deliver consistent results every time, which builds trust and repeat orders. Number 6. Peanut butter maker. This is also called a nut grinder, turns roasted nuts into smooth or chunky spreads in minutes. Small household models usually cost around $160 to $200, while commercial machines range from $450 to $1,200. This machine is profitable because fresh nut butter has strong demand and low ingredient cost. Customers like products with no additives and bold flavor. You can sell peanut butter, almond butter, or mixed nut spreads in jars at markets or online. Making small batches keeps your product fresh and unique. With simple packaging and good branding, this machine can support repeat sales and steady growth. These machines are not just tools, they are shortcuts to building food businesses that people actually buy from. Number 7. Spice Grinder Machine. This machine lets you grind whole spices into fresh powder in minutes. These machines are stronger than normal kitchen grinders and are made for regular use. Small but reliable commercial models usually cost between $100 and $300. This business becomes profitable because freshly ground spices have stronger smell, better taste, and higher value than pre-packed powders. You can sell spice blends, rubs, or freshly ground spices at markets or online. Customers love watching spices being ground fresh, which adds trust and appeal. This machine also works for grains, herbs, and even coffee, giving you more product options. With low ingredient cost and steady demand, this machine supports consistent sales. Number 8. Food Dehydrator. This machine removes moisture from food to create long-lasting snacks like dried fruits, vegetables, herbs, and jerky. Entry-level home models cost around $60 to $150, while larger stainless steel units range from $300 to $550. This machine is profitable because dried snacks have long shelf life and low waste. You can prepare food in bulk and sell over time without rushing. Popular items like apple chips or dried mango sell well at local markets. The process is simple: slice the food, load the trays, and let the machine work. With good packaging and flavor choices, dehydrated snacks can become a steady income stream. Number 9. Egg Grating Machine. This machine sorts eggs by size or weight, making them ready for sale as small, medium, or large. Small tabletop machines usually start around $2,600 to $3,100, depending on capacity. This machine becomes profitable by saving time and improving consistency. Customers prefer neatly grated eggs and are more likely to trust sellers who offer proper sizing. For small poultry farms or home egg sellers, this machine speeds up packing and reduces handling errors. Instead of sorting eggs by hand, you can focus on selling and delivery. Over time, the time saved and professional presentation help support higher and more reliable sales. Number 10. Slushie Machine. This machine is perfect for selling cold drinks during warm weather. It freezes and mixes flavored liquid to create smooth slushies, frozen lemonades, and similar drinks. Small home party models cost under $100, but for a serious home business, a single bowl commercial unit usually costs between $900 and $1,500. This machine is profitable because slushies are inexpensive to make and sell quickly. One batch can serve many customers in a short time. These drinks are popular at local markets, outdoor events, and small shops. Once the machine is running, it keeps drinks ready for hours. With bright flavors and clear cups, slushies attract attention and repeat buyers. Number 11. Bean Milk/Soy Milk Machine. A bean milk machine makes fresh soy, almond, and other plant-based milks at home. It grinds, heats, and filters beans or nuts automatically. Consumer models usually range from $100 to $300, while slightly stronger units may cost more. This machine becomes profitable because demand for fresh plant-based drinks keeps growing. Customers like milk with no preservatives and better taste. You can sell bottled milk, flavored drinks, or use it for yogurt and desserts. The process is simple: add soaked beans and water, then let the machine work. With creative flavors and clean packaging, this machine supports repeat sales and steady growth. Starting a home food business is not just about buying a machine, it is about how you use it. Smart presentation, clean packaging, and simple branding can turn everyday food into something people trust and remember. When customers see food being made fresh, they feel more confident buying it. That trust is what makes these machines profitable over time. Selling at local markets, supplying small caves, or using social media to show your process can help you grow faster than you expect. You do not need a huge budget. Many of these machines start under $1,000, yet they can support steady sales when used the right way. Start small, stay consistent, and let quality bring customers back again and again. If you want more videos like this, showing simple machines and real business ideas, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next one.